Hi, my name is Victoria. Welcome to sennder Baltic, our office in Riga, Latvia. Our team consists of 62 people, but probably even more with your help. We are representing mostly Baltic region, but we go also beyond. Let's have a look together.
Riga office is in an amazing location. If you look around, this is the city center of Riga. The office space is just amazing. It's very big, very spacious. In comparison with when I joined, we have doubled the size of the office.
Well, this is my hometown and I like this part of the city because this is the hub of the young people and a lot of my friends work around here.
Well, most of the time we actually work, but when we do have a little spare time, we go play some games or just spend some time together chatting, having coffee in some open space we have in the office.
We have a lot of opportunity to work, to get our mental health better, because we have a lot of projects of this. Like you saw before, we have Planka, it's amazing. I'm doing it even on Sunday and Saturday.
Well, it's obvious when you come in, you can see that you want to work there. And we also hear a lot of the candidates, they come in and say, wow, it's so nice, I want to work right now. Because we are friendly. We always helping. It's not matter if I'm office manager or your sales career or from people team or whatever, we always will try to help.
It is very cozy here. Everyone is very supportive and friendly, and that's what makes it a very special place to be in.
I'm not coming from a logistics background, but within a couple of months, with the support of my wonderful team, I was able to learn quite a lot in order to be able to perform in my job.
It's amazing that we have a workplace where we have everything we need. I can get a selfie in office and everyone will be talking, you have such a nice office. And I'm so, yes, I have.